Welcome everyone on a perfect night for football with the floodlights beaming down. My name is Derek Ray and my commentary partner on this occasion is Stuart Robson. And we can't wait for this one to start with justifiable cause. What might we see today, Stuart?
Well, thanks Derek as always. The scene is set, two good teams, a great playing surface and a vibrant atmosphere. It has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
How about the cross? Diaby. Now Gundogan. Terrific block. Gundogan. Might still be able to do a bit of damage. Well, no damage done. And this is how the hosts will begin the game today. Edouard Mendy stands between the posts. Kingsley Coman plays with Moussa Diaby on the flanks. And up front today is Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Moise Keane. Must score! Terrific save. Playing it short. And space for him to cut in. Oh, closed down straight away. And the flag was up in good time. It's offside.
Well, he should have realised that was going to be offside. That's a poor decision to play that pass.
Now, who can he play it to? Politano. Might take the lead. Well, in the end, it was rather straightforward for the goalkeeper, Stuart.
Well, he has to do better there. That's a really poor finish.
Nico Schlotterbeck. Here's Tielemans. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. The ball with Jordan Ayew. Chance to cross. And space available inside. Could be. Not out of the woods yet. Oh, it comes to nothing in the end. Really should have made more of that.
Well, you sense it's just a matter of time before they do score, Derek. They've been piling on the pressure now and really should be ahead in this one.
Well, you never quite know who's going to dominate a game in advance, but I think you can maybe make an argument for this fellow, Stuart. What do you think we'll see from him today?
Defenders, Derek, hate playing against players with pace, and he's got plenty of pace to run in behind, and he does it cleverly. He comes short, then spins in behind, and then he's 1v1 against the goalkeeper, and he usually finishes it off.
Very quick thinking there. A room to roam on the wing. Solskjaer. Well, able to close down the shot. What a vital intervention. Moise Keane. And they know they need to stop him. They couldn't maintain possession. Solskjaer. Being egged on by the crowd. Corner coming up. Can someone get on the end of this? And rattling the post. Relatively straightforward to mop up defensively. Oh, that's a fine save.
Well, you sense the goals coming. They're getting so close now. They just need to take one of these chances.
Diaby, moving it forward. Solskjaer, superb block. Leao, well, he'll be irked with himself, ran into an offside position. And after that fantastic effort, it's gone out for a throw-in. Well, lovely work to get past his man. Can he put them in front? Yes is the emphatic answer. And you have to say it was on the cards.
Well, just look how he holds off the defender. He keeps his balance and he still hits the target. What a good goal that is.
So the Foxes restart the game, and it's up to them to show invention and perhaps to level it. And beating the defender. And now passing it through. Well, it didn't worry the keeper. Ayew. Here's Tielemans. Really good challenge. Domenico Berardi. Teammates available. Well, goodness me, into the goalkeeper's grateful grasp. Ayew. And cutting inside. Splendid defending. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. And possibilities here. Giving it a try. And the keeper diving to thwart him. Over it comes. Rovella. On the ball, Rafael Leao. Just 1 minute of stoppage time, say the officials. Now potential danger. And a goal to square the game. Edge of the seat stuff. So underway again here on the back of that leveller. And well, as they get the ball rolling again, interesting to see how the second half pans out. The tackle completely mistimed, and you would expect a booking under the circumstances. And a yellow card it's going to be, Stuart.
Yeah, the ref's got that right. It's a yellow card all day long.
And no way through. Giving the ball away. Promising attack this. Shot attempted, and the keeper had the measure of it. And now the delivery. Well, a bit short with the clearance. Not a time for composure on the ball. And that is going to be a free kick. Well, some referees might have elected to hand out the yellow card, but no booking on this occasion. Can they forge ahead? Well, they would have done had it not been for the keeper.
Well, they should be ahead now. Yes, it was a good save, Derek, but he should score from there.
You certainly have got to give this man high marks for his work up to this point, Stuart.
Well, Derek, he plugged away in that first half, making run after run without too much success. But eventually he got his reward. And what an important goal it was.
Well, it was a risky challenge, but brilliantly executed. Clear foul play, and as a result, a free kick forthcoming. And in the event, just a talking to, but could easily have seen yellow. Keane. Leao. Oh, could be. Oh, yes! It's gone in! And now a chance for them to revel in the moment. Well, as they kick off again, 2-1 the current state of affairs. And giving it away. And into the last 30 minutes now. Well, it could be on for him here. Takes on the shot. And tremendous goalkeeping.
Well, he just made it so difficult for the striker. His presence alone just caused him a problem.
So deciding to make a personnel change at this juncture. Well, another corner kick conceded. Let's see what they do this time. Playing it short. Well, not the best clearance. Danger averted for now. And the Foxes have it back. He has teammates around him. But he knew he had to get to the ball, and he did. Diaby. Can they create something from here? Ayew. Must be. Just can't get it past him. And time for the change now.
Well, can they draw level here? The crowd certainly think so.
He'll try his luck here. Well, the goalkeeper is thankful that it wasn't a better effort than it actually was. Into the final 20 minutes. And they need to get tighter. Moise Keane. Must be. Oh, a good diving save. And taken short. Crossing into the middle. Well, it didn't really work the keeper when all was said and done. The ball back with the Foxes now. Oh, managing to beat him. The timing, and he smacks it against the crossbar.
Well, I thought that was in, Derek. He struck it so sweetly, plenty of power. Can't come much closer than that.
Hernandez. Well, you've got to classify that as a poor attempt. A long way wide. Coman. Coman. Well, that's how to do it inside your own penalty area. Moise Keane. Counter-attacking, very much an option. Oh, he's left his marker for dead. Firing it towards goal. Oh, a fine save at this point in the game.
Well, he's just about kept them in it, but time's against them here.
Substitution for the visitors. Coming off the pitch, number 11, Moise Keane, to be replaced by number 13, Erling Haaland.
Well, they fancy a short one. Has a go. Well, good clean catch by the keeper. Trailing as they are, they're not likely to get too many opportunities late in this game. But it wasn't a taxing save. Diaby. Just the challenge that was required. Papin. Now with Aubameyang. And the emphasis is on creativity. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. And the counter looks on here. Options available. Papin. Well, a bad pass it was. Ayew. Well, taking into account all the stoppages, 2 minutes to be added on. And space to exploit, maybe. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Haaland. And a body in the way. Papa. Can he finish them off? And there goes the final whistle, much to the disappointment of their supporters. Well, lovely work.